Hello everyone, welcome to Love Maths. It's 10th standard construction exercise 6.2. We are going to see the third sum now. In this third sum, what is given means draw a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Take 2 points P and Q on of its extended diameter, each of its distance of 7 centimeter from its center. Draw two tangent circle from their points P and Q. That is the meaning. You have to draw one circle 3 centimeter. Okay, this is 3 centimeter from the center. Then both sides you extend from the center 7 centimeter. That means already 3 is there till 4. So this side also till 3 is there till 4. So totally 4, 3, 3, 4. So 14 centimeter on line segment. Okay. So in this we are going to draw this side one circle, this side one circle, both side intersecting. We have to draw the tangent. Okay. We have to see how to draw now. First, you have to draw a circle of 3 centimeter line segment. For that, using compass, take a scale using compass. First measure 3 centimeter. Yes, its measurement is over. Keep on center point. I drawn one 3 centimeter circle now. So it's over. So we should mark the center point. That is very important. We should mark the center point. From the center, both sides 7 centimeter. Okay. So from the center, keep on 7. From the center, so this side also 7 centimeter. Even from the center, this side also 7 centimeter. So totally this line segment is 14 centimeter. I extended. So this is point is P. This is point is Q. Then what we are going to do means you just this center point as O means from PO draw a bisector. Okay, perpendicular bisector. How to draw a perpendicular bisector? Take more than half. Okay, in this line take more than half. Cut an arc like this. Even this side also. This side also same measurement, so you can keep no problem the same measurement and cut one arc. Now we are going to draw that line, join that line, both intersecting point using scale. Next, this is the midpoint. This also a midpoint. Give name as M, N, anything. In this PM as a radius, draw a circle. It is passes through the O. Okay, PM as a radius. PM as a radius. Draw a circle like this. So it is passes through the O. Next, the same radius. We should draw the circle. Because then OP. We should draw a circle again. Now I drawn from the 2 points. From here to both lines are intersecting, both circles are, that is the tangent. You draw the tangent from here to here. So give the name something T, S. Even this side also both circles are intersecting. Give the name anything. I give a name as AB. If you join this two line AQ and BQ. Okay. Now this is the required. This is the required. So in this tangent now, which are the tangent means PT equal to PS equal to AQ equal to BQ. These are the tangents. Why all the tangents are equal in length means, yes, of course, because it is this side also 7 centimeter, that side also 7 centimeter. So all the tangents are equal in length. Next question, we are going to draw a pair of tangent. Okay, it is inclined at 60 centimeter, 60 degree. See this fourth question. Draw a pair of tangent of a circle radius 5 centimeter which are inclined to the each other at an angle of 60 degree. Okay, so what we are going to do means, see this sum we are knowing this is the circle. In this circle, this point always comes under 90 degree. Okay, so same thing. This side also it comes 90 degree only. So everything it comes under 90 degree. Same thing, first we are going to draw one circle 5 centimeter. Okay, next in this center totally both wants to intersect. Okay, so this angle 90 degrees, see this angle 90 degree, here intersecting angle must be 60 degree, means 90 degree plus 90 degree plus 60 degree, how much? So 90, 180 is a 240. Totally it is looking like four side. Okay. So totally it is looking like a quadrilateral 360 degree. So 360 degree minus 240, 120. So this center angle will be 120 degree. Okay. That 120 degree we are going to draw. Now, so we drawn one 5 centimeter circle and take the center. I drawn one radius also. From this here we should make the 120 degree. Keep here, where is 120 degree? It comes here. Okay, this is the 120 degree. So you should draw the line. Next, from here it wants to go 90 degree. Okay, how to draw the 90 degree means without any measurement, because in this line you keep here, just draw one arc like that. Just draw one arc. This same measurement cut into the arc 1, 2. From here one arc, then keep on this intersecting point, here one arc. Now this intersecting point and A if you join means it is perfectly 90 degree. It is perfectly 90 degree. Okay. This is perfectly 90 degree. Even this side also we are going to do the same thing. Keep here. Okay. Draw one semicircle and keep it this side one arc and that side one arc. The same measurement we are going to draw one arc. From here, from this A2 we are going to draw the perpendicular 90 degree line where both line are intersecting. That must be 60 degree. That must be 60 degree. You should extend the line till both are intersecting. Okay, now this is the required. This is 120 degree. So this is 90 degree. This side also 90 degree. This is compulsory 60 degree. If you have doubt, you can check it. Keep like this. So it comes. So it is this side it comes under 60 degree. So here too, without using protractor, how to draw the 120 degree means first we drawn this ray, you know. So this is only, you just draw one arc like this. Okay, then from here you keep the same measurement, cut one arc. This is 60 degree. Okay, from keep on here, if you cut the arc, this is 120 degree. Okay, without a protractor only you can solve this sum. So this is the required construction. The next sum is, draw a line segment AB of length 8 cm. Take A as a center. Draw a circle of radius 4 cm and taking B as a center, draw another one circle of 3 cm. Construct its tangent to each of the circle from the center of other circle. Okay, first one AB line segment 8 cm. A as a center, again draw one 4 cm circle, one 3 cm circle. Okay, let us do now. First AB line segment 8 centimeter. This is the fourth question. This is the fifth one. So draw the AB line segment, because this side we are going to draw the circle. So draw like this, 8 centimeter. it is 8 centimeter line segment A, B 8 centimeter. Next A center we are going to draw 1/4 centimeter circle. Okay, which is where is A? This side is A. So we are going to draw 1/4 centimeter circle. Take the measurement using scale and compass. Draw 1/4 centimeter circle. Okay, I drawn. Then B as a center, we should draw 3 centimeter circle. Take 3 centimeter measurement. So B as a center, draw 3 centimeter circle. This circle will be 4 centimeter. This will be 3 centimeter. Okay, this is over. Next, what we are going to do means construct tangent of each circle from the center of the other circle. Okay, we have to construct the tangent from each circle. Okay, next what is how to do the tangent? The same thing. In this line segment, take more than half, draw the bisector. Okay, take more than half, cut one arc both the sides. Draw a bisector now. Join this two intersecting point. This is give name as D. From A to D, measure this. Then construct one circle. Okay. Now this is here it is intersecting. Okay. This two circle. Here these two circle are intersecting. So from A you are going to join this intersecting point. For A you are going to join this intersecting point. Okay. Then B. This intersecting point, from B you are going to join now. Then B you are going to join now. So this is the required diagram. So you have to give the name as intersect. Already AB given. So C, D is there, C, E, then G, H. You can give any alphabets. Okay children. Next is let ABC is a right triangle on which AB is 6 cm, BC is 8 cm and angle B is 90 degree. First we are going to draw one triangle, that is AB is 6 cm, BC is 8 centimeter and the angle B is 90 degree. Okay, angle B is 90. So BC base you should draw down. Okay, BC base you should draw down. How many centimeter BC? So BC is now 8 centimeter. Okay, BC is 8 centimeter. So I drawn one line BC 8 centimeter. Angle B is 90 degree. Angle B is 90 degree. So without productor, how to draw an 90 degree? Just one approximate measurement. Draw one semicircle like that. Okay. Draw one semicircle like that. The same measurement, keep it here. Cut one arc. Then keep it here. Cut one arc. Then this side one arc. Then keep it here. Cut this side one arc. Now it is going to join. It comes under 90 degree only. Exactly it is 90 degree. So we are going to join this. Next AB. So BC means A compulsory here. From A to B it is 6 centimeter. So we are going to draw now 6 centimeter. Now so take a measurement how 6 centimeter. So AB is 6 centimeter, here B. So in A, for keep here is C 6 centimeter, you just cut one arc. Afterwards you should join this. So this is the point, this point and C you should join. Okay. So this point to C you have to join. So we complete the triangle. Next we are going to do, what we are going to do means, BD is the perpendicular from B on AC. From BD we are going to draw one perpendicular line. How to draw the perpendicular line means, you just measure this like, okay. So it is comes under like this. Measure, cut this side one arc and this side one arc. This is from here to here. This point is there, you know. So this point to this point take more than half. In this point to this point take more than half and cut one arc. This side also cut one arc. Now join B and this intersecting point. It comes the perpendicular line. Okay. So this is D, because D on A and C. D on A and C. Next, the circle through BCD. The circle passes through BCD. Okay. So one circle I want to draw means what I need? I need this say midpoint. How to draw? Find out the midpoint. Draw the perpendicular bisector of BC. So take more than half and draw one arc. Even here too, keep it here one arc. Okay, join this both intersecting points. Now I got the midpoint. Okay, now I got the midpoint like O. Now BO as a radius, draw one circle. BO as the radius, draw one circle. So this is the circle. Now in this circle, outside one A point is there. From that point we are going to draw a tangent. How to draw? For example, I drawn one circle. Somewhere A point is there. How to draw this tangent? First draw this line. Then take more than half, draw the perpendicular bisector, everything. Isn't it? The same thing we are going to do. So this is the line. In this line, this is the center of the circle. Joint A and O. Okay, joint A and O. Now AO line. Now AO line you should draw a perpendicular bisector. You should draw a perpendicular bisector. Now AO line you should draw a perpendicular bisector. So it comes from this point to this point. So this is the point. So this point again you have to draw one circle. Don't make confused. To follow my steps clearly. It is easy for you. We drawn the circle. Okay, now for example, perpendicular bisector over, circles over. The both circle are intersecting, we should draw the tangent. So here too, where the both circle are intersecting, here one, and both circle are intersecting, here one. Okay, so we have to, from A point, we have to draw this tangent. Okay, so this is already A point, one line is there. So you just dark the line. So now it is give name as something, E or F anything. So E, now AB and AE is a required tangent. Okay, don't too much of confuse. First draw the triangle, then draw one perpendicular line here, then after perpendicular line we have to draw one circle. Take this midpoint, for that one bisector. Afterwards I want to draw this join A and O. Here one bisector, draw one circle, then draw the tangent. Next question, we should draw one circle with the help of bangle. Okay, using help of bangle I drawn one circle. Okay, the circle is over. Take any one point outside on the circle. Okay, so I am taking somewhere the point is P. So you should construct the tangent from the point of the circle. In this point you should construct this P. Usually what we are doing, we should join center and P. For this circle I don't know the center because using bangle I draw. Approximately we can't give the center point. So what we are going to means you should draw two cards. Okay, you should draw two cards. Okay, in this two cards you have to draw the perpendicular bisector. The both perpendicular bisector intersecting at center of the circle. Okay, so draw the perpendicular bisector. So this is join the line. Next for this also take same more than half. So draw one line. We should draw the perpendicular bisector. Where the both perpendicular bisector are intersecting, that point will be the center of the circle. So both are intersecting here. So this is will be the center of the circle. Now we are doing as usual. Joined O and P. Okay, I joined OP. Then what we are going to do? Take more than half and draw the bisector. So take more than half, draw the line. Then join these two. This is the midpoint. In this midpoint we are going to through this, take a MO as a radius, draw one circle. MO as a radius, draw one circle. Now both circle are intersecting point. From we are going to join A. I given the name as AB. We are going to join A to B and B to B. That's all. So now AP and BP are tangents. Okay. As usual sum, but we are drawn the circle using bangle. That's why we don't know the center. For that reason we are drawn the chord and drawn chord perpendicular bisector. Both perpendicular bisector intersecting at center of the circle. Then do as usual. You got the answer. Thank you.